people, because I like evidence. And let me give you evidence, because I like evidence.
Yeah.
I don't like opinion, evidence. Okay?
Jazakallah khair.
If people say women are oppressed because they cover hijab,
That's what they say.
that's what they say. Okay. In Saudi Arabia, are women forced to wear hijab?
No.
No. But you go to the streets, 99% of the women we see still wear hijab. It's their choice. Okay. You say maybe it's cultural. In America, are women forced to wear hijab? But the Muslim women in America, they wear hijab, niqabs and gloves and abaya and khimar. Why? Ask, if you don't believe me, ask those women that you see in the UK, that you see in America, ask them, why are you wearing hijab? And they will tell you because they feel honored by it. They love it. We see thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of women in Europe, in America, in South America, in Russia that are becoming Muslim, and they choose with their own choice to wear the hijab, and they're